I'm going to be showing you the new response type for student work questions. Previously, students had been able to type in their response or import a file from their computer or a Google document. We now also have the option for students to draw their answer to a student work question, so I will be showing you what that looks like. First thing that we're going to do is create a student work style question. And we're going to ask the student to draw a right triangle and mark the right angle. Now we'll go ahead and we're going to save that question. Over in the right sidebar, you'll see that you have the option to view the question. This will allow you to see it the way that it's presented to students. Now, an important thing to note about student work questions is that students are only able to respond to the question in one way. Therefore, if the student chooses to draw their answer, they are not also able to produce a typed response on that same question. So let's say that we did want our students to provide some more information about their right triangle that they drew in the previous question. We can come back up here and we can ask the student to solve for the remaining angles. We'll go ahead and we will save that question. And now with this, I'm going to show you another recent feature in addition to our site. Make sure to save the assessment before you go. Now we'll go back to the My Assessments tab. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to activate this assessment for the student portal. I'm going to start it for class 9-9 here. You'll designate your student portal settings. And there we go. This assessment is now active. Once you have the assessment active for your classroom, you can actually go over to your class roster and you'll see this button over on the side called Student Portal View. If you click on this tab, it will allow you to view any currently active assessments, just as your students will see them in the student portal. So we'll see we have the TE question types assessment. Let's go ahead and launch that. And so now we'll see draw a right triangle and mark the right angle. So we're going to want to draw our answer for this one. We have our pencil tool and we'll go ahead and we'll draw our right triangle. And make sure that we mark that right angle in here. And we'll upload our response. And then the student can go to question 2. Here they'll be able to type in their answer where they solve the remaining question.